In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of CoinMarketCap. This process is quick and straightforward, but it's always good to ensure we're doing things correctly. Whether you're securing your account or switching to another user, logging out is a crucial step to maintaining your online security. First, let's start by going to the website, CoinMarketCap. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com or simply click on a saved bookmark if you have one. As the page loads, you'll notice the website greets you with the most up-to-date cryptocurrency prices and market trends. But today, we're focusing solely on the task of logging out. Now that you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot the profile icon, usually represented by either a circle or a silhouette of a person. This icon is your gateway to account-specific options. Go ahead and give it a click. Upon clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear, presenting you with several options related to your account. This menu is crucial as it helps you navigate through personal settings, preferences, and of course, the logout option. To proceed with logging out, look through the drop-down menu until you find the option labeled Logout. This might not be the first option on the list, so take a moment to scan through and locate it carefully. Once you've found it, click on Logout. This step effectively ends your session, ensuring that your account remains secure, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. Make sure to wait a moment for the page to refresh or redirect, confirming that the logout process has been successful. In some cases, you might see a brief notification or message indicating that you've been logged out. This additional confirmation reassures you that your session has ended and your account is now protected from unauthorized access. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. If you're planning to log back in shortly or are switching between multiple accounts, you might want to ensure that your login details are stored securely, rather than relying on browser autofill features, which can sometimes be risky, especially on shared devices. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your CoinMarketCap account. This wasn't just about clicking a button, but understanding the importance of maintaining the security of your accounts meticulously. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. Take care, and stay secure.